Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to decorate your pouch. For those of you that are already tired, you're tired of the pouch you're using and you want to throw it away, relax, like just chillax, don't throw it yet. I'll show you how to use wool to beautify your pouch. So right here I have wool, I have my pouch, I have what's it called? Super glue. Then you can use stick, you can use whatever you feel like using, but I'm using ruler. Then I have my blade here with me also. So I'll be showing us how to like beautify the pouch. So first of all, so I'm going to open my super glue here. Oops. So first you roll your wool to whatever stick you're using. You can use broom, you can use ruler, you can decide to use stick, you can use whatever you want actually. So you roll your wool to it. Make sure the wool is well arranged, not on top each other, just well arranged side by side. That's the first thing you do. Make sure you roll it well so that the gum won't catch the stick also. If not, removing it will be hard. So make sure you roll the wool well to the stick, not leaving any space in the stick because of the super glue. Then next, you apply your super glue to the phone case. You apply it well, apply enough, not too much, not too small, but it should be enough. Then after that, you put your wool that is already rolled to the stick on the pouch. Depends on how you want it. You can make it stand, you can make it lie down. Depends on how you actually want it. So that's just what you continue doing. You roll a wool to the stick, you apply gum to the phone case, you what's it called, put your stick or your wool I don't know how to explain that part, but you saw what I just did. So you do that again. Then next you use your blade to remove the wool from the stick. You tear the wool, just tear it, open it, so you can remove the stick. Gently, so you don't end up cutting yourself. Just tear it open. Then you remove the stick. You can remove the ones by the side that didn't gum actually. As you can see, it's already fine. I've not started though, but it's fine already. It's fine. It's very beautiful. So that's what we're going to do. Same step, same way, the same thing you did. Wool to the stick, gum to the phone case or the pouch, then the stick to the gummed phone case. Then you use your blade on it and then you remove it. So we continue doing that till you cover everywhere, or you cover places you want to cover actually. So you just continue doing that. Use a glue that would stay. Oh, that was why I went for super glue. I didn't go for just ordinary gum. Use a glue that will stay. If not, after all the stress, the whole thing will start coming off. So use a glue that will stay. You can just hold the pouch by the side, so you don't press down what you've done too hard already and end up spoiling it. So you can just be using your hand to brush it after each this thing, after putting the next skinny. I didn't remove everything at once because it's wool and it's going to spread if I use my hand to brush it, and it might be hard putting the next stick because I may not know where to put the next stick. So I leave the previous stick there before adding the next. So now I've gotten to the camera side, and I can't put the wool on top of this thing to actually cover my camera. So just measure it and you continue with the same thing you've been doing since. And that's that. As you can see, the pouch is fine. It's very, 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 very fine. The pouch is fine. The phone case was actually looking ugly. Then I wanted to throw it away and I was like, why should I waste my money? Why should I throw it away? Like, why? When I can actually turn it to something else. So you can also do for the side, though it's not compulsory. Me, I just didn't want it to be like that, and it will look somehow to me. So I decided to also add to the side. But like I said, this one is not compulsory. You can just do for the back, then you leave the rest alone. But me, if it's fine, it should be fine from beginning to the end. So I decided to just do also to the side. So yeah, this other thing also I'm doing, it's not really compulsory, but I felt like, so I did it. First, add one small wool to the middle of my finger, then I rolled the remaining wool. You can roll as many as possible. I think I did 60 or 50, so I rolled it like 60 or 50 times, but you can do less, you can do more, it depends. I just want to add this to the side of the pouch, like it look like a small, should I call it flower or rose, something to just beautify the pouch. When I'm done, you see what I'm talking about. So that small one you left in between your fingers, that's what you would use to tie the middle. You saw the way I removed it. You just remove it like that, then you tie the middle, tie it tight, then you should I say scatter the rest, or you expand it, or you just make it like a circle. Then you can either use blade or scissors, but I would advise you use scissors because using blade was actually somehow difficult for me. So I would advise you use scissors. You just take your scissors, put it in the middle of the tied wool, not the place you tied from what was in the middle of the finger, or no, the place that looks like circle. Round it, you just cut round it. You see what I'm going to do now? after tying it twice and tying it tight. So yeah, you can cut the rope using tying it. This other rope is the rope I want to use to attach this to my pouch. So yeah, it is the edges here, the edge, that's what you're cutting off. So you can just put the scissors to the middle of the wool, the edge, the head, anyhow you want to call it. Then you just cut it and then spread it like, should I call it rolls or flour? I don't know which one to call it. It's not compulsory. This one I just added chini. So you can decide to add this, you can decide to leave it out. I just want to put it by the side of my phone case so it will be fine. Then if you're doing this, you just tie it to the phone case. So it's just like jingle bell by the side. That's why I said use scissors, because using blade is actually stressful and you might not really get everything. So just use scissors and just spread it. And that's all. So yeah, I had to complete what I started. So the other side too, I had to beautify the other side too with the same wool. Then most people will be like, okay, that's the end. Yeah, that's actually supposed to be the end. Like, that's the end of everything. You can just leave the pouch like that. As you can see, it's actually fine already. Like, it's actually very fine without adding anything. You don't need to add anything. It's fine already. It's beautiful. I would sell this in the market and people will rush it, but this one is just for my phone. I can do more of this, plenty of this, and sell it and people will rush it. Yeah, so this is actually fine. Like, this is very, very fine. But I didn't stop here because I love red, and if it's red, let everything be red. I had to paint it. I had to paint the sides that were not showing you red, so that everything will rhyme and everything will be red. Like, it should be shining red, shining bling bling. So I had to paint the whole thing. The parts that were not showing, I had to paint it. Yeah, and well, it was fine. I did it to my taste. I've showed you how to do it now, so yeah, you can go and try it and do it to your own taste also. So yep, that is that for that. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Ejo, I'm begging, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for staying with me on today's video. I hope you like what you see, or you see what you like. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Thank you. Bye. And if it's not fine also, you can also leave that in the comment section. If it's fine, you can also leave that in the comment section. Bye.